Okay, so today I'm going to try to find and load either a pre-recorded movie or pre-recorded TV show and set it as a favorite. Maybe I'll watch a series, maybe 5 years of a series. So we'll try that. Now this time it's using the X96 box, which is on Android 6 instead of Android 4 or 5. So I'm going to turn it on and let's just see. The interface looks a little different than before. You can see that's different when it starts up. And normally when you get the front screen, you'll have, oh, that's different too. You'll have Iron Man as the Kodi icon, whereas it looks a little different when we get to that front screen. See, you got the Google Play Store. Once again, you can use your arrow keys or your mouse. I'm just going to use the arrow keys and mouse around. I'm going to go over to Kodi here. Oh, by the way, finding your MAC address is the same as the last way that we did it, under status. But I've already done that and Wi-Fi this in, so I'm going to go into Kodi. So here we go. Kodi looks a little different now. Oh yes. Now we'll go over to videos. That's at the beginning. So videos lets you look at pre-recorded TV. These are add-ons, Exodus, Phoenix. Those are the two that I use the most. I use Phoenix. Phoenix, actually, you can find a lot of the retro shows in there as well. And Exodus I use a lot for movies. But you can do it for pre-recorded TV, like even up to yesterday. Whereas when we did our Cloud TV earlier, the Cloud TV was live TV. So let's go into Exodus. What I do is I arrow key up, and it takes me all the way to search very quickly. And you can search on movies, TV shows, people in movies or people in TV shows. So I'm going to go to movies, and I'm going to look for something that doesn't take a lot of typing right now. So I'm going to just look for, let's say, Sing. So Sing is just out in the theaters. Let me just see here. S-I-N-G. And we'll just go over here and say done. And it's going to go look for Sing. Now, you can tell it's looking for it. Down in the right-hand bottom, it was hourglassing for a second. So this operating system obviously works a lot faster. That's the one we want to see is 2016. Now, it might be cammed, or it might be an actual HD version. I don't know. So I hit enter, and it goes and it looks through all the different suppliers of it, and it's working. Oh, there you go. And I don't necessarily pick the first one. I might pick the fourth one down, something like that. And 1080p. And I just hit enter. See if it's working. Yeah, it looks like it is. Let's see if this is going to come up. And that's pretty fast. There it is. Now, if you hit your menu, the menu, I don't know if you can see it on here, probably not, but it's over about here. The menu key, you can pause it, you can stop the movie. I'm going to stop the movie right now. And what I'm going to do is, if I hit the menu again while it's on the movie, I can play it from here, or I can add it to favorites. So if I add it to favorites, let's say I find a bunch of movies I want to see. I just do that, I get out. Now the next time I go in to the Android box, if I go down and arrow key over to favorites right here, I should be able to find that movie. There it is. And if I hit enter, that's a nice shortcut to the Sing movie itself, and Sing should just start playing. Okay, now you do exactly the same thing for TV shows. So let's just, again, hit the menu key, and I'm going to stop this. I'm just going to, this time I'm going to go down, and I'm going to go over to Phoenix. Now, Exodus and Phoenix are competitors in terms of what they offer. Let me just see here. So if I remember how to do this, let's see, Phoenix TV. Okay, so let's take a look at Phoenix TV shows maybe. Let's try that. See if that's where I want to go. No, I don't think so. Let's go to Phoenix TV. Live entertainment. Oh, that's interesting. Live Italian, kids shows, music, news. Okay, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to remember if I want to look at retro shows. Let's just see. Where is that? Let's try Divas Den, search selections, Phoenix Kids. Okay, well, drawing a blank on this new version, how to do it. So I'm going to get out of here for a minute, and I'm going to go down to Exodus, and you can look at TV shows instead of movies and do the search. Again, I'm just going to go all the way around, do a search, and then do a search on TV shows. And let's say, I don't know, something easy to type. Let's say we're going to look at Cops. Let's see if they got that on here or not. Let's see. So I want to look at a series of Cops. And I go over here. Let's just see if it comes up. Okay, well, it's got lots of different versions of Cops, anything with the word cop in it. So let's go down to here and do Cops. There you go. So all the different seasons of Cops are there. Now, if I go back one, and again, if I hit the menu key, I can just save that. Let's just see here. Add to favorites. And again, let's say you weren't using your box for a while, and you just wanted to go and watch Cops. You wanted to look at the next season of Cops or the next episode of Cops. You just go over to favorites, and there's Cops. So you click on Cops, and immediately you get all the seasons that come up. You got 13 seasons at least. Let's see if there's more. Wow. Wow. My goodness. 29, 30 seasons? 29 seasons of Cops. Amazing. So here's the first season right here. So we just click on that, and it's 1 times 1. So the first episode of Cops, season 1. Now, I don't know if these files are still on the servers or not. We could always try and just see if the very first Cops is here. In Broward County, let's just see if the original, very first one, 29 years ago, if it's still out there somewhere. It's at 97%. It's going through all the different suppliers. Maybe the feed isn't there anymore, but that's the idea. Anyway, in terms of finding a show that you like, you can go back to the 50s, 60s, 70s, and get it. This one's taking a little while. I don't know what's going on. Oh, and there's somebody at the door. Anyway, that's the idea. So, talk to you later, and bye for now.